What's up, Munch Bunch Mob? It's Story today with the Angel Reese McDonald's special menu. Menu. All right, we got in the menu medium French fry. That's delicious. Okay. Then we got the barbecue bacon quarter pounder with its, I don't know, special barbecue sauce. I think that's what makes it so special. Smells good. All right. And then to top it off, of course, my McDonald's didn't have the high C lava blast, so we went with just a regular high C. I don't think I've had high C before, so I don't know. This is going to be a good try. All right. We know how the French fries go. So let's see how the burger goes. All right. Here we go. We're going to give this a try. It's got like juice in it. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm actually scared. It has bacon, onions. I don't do well with onions, but here we go. The bacon's a little weird. I don't know. Let me do one more bite. A hair? No, that's an onion. Verdict. What would I rate it? I'd give this like 6.5. Nothing special, you know? Let's try this high C here. All right. High C it up. Again, I don't think I've ever had high C before, so I'm not 100% sure. I was really mad that they didn't have the lava burst. Oh. Okay. I am not a high C gal. Let me try one more time. Oh, God. Okay, yeah, that is a 2.